Alright, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today I'm pretty much here. I'm just going to get right into it. And Nike has pretty much come out a couple days ago. I really noticed this about a month ago or so, but they really explained how to cop with exclusive access. And I kind of saw, and someone popped it up on my Instagram, someone that I was following, and I immediately saw it and was like, oh yeah, I'm making a video on this. So we're just going to kind of hop into it, really explain how you guys can actually get exclusive access, all the details to it. Not like, tick the box here, do this, change this size here, like, all that other stuff that people explain. No, this is directly from Nike. Like, they said this, so this is the truth. And we'll be pretty much getting into it so you guys can see how to cop with exclusive access. I'll be throwing in a couple other tips too, some stuff like that. So we'll hop into it. So don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos like this. Let's make the goal in this video like something simple, like 300 likes. If we could do that, that'd be dope. I'd like to see if we could hit that goal. So if everyone that's watching would do that, well, I'd appreciate it, but not the end of the world if we don't. So we'll just pretty much hop straight into it and show you guys how you guys can get exclusive access. I know it'll be useful for these upcoming drops like the Off-White 50 drop. So let's get into it. So pretty much how you guys can get exclusive access on sneakers. Now, I've been saying the only way, I remember in my last sneakers tip video, this one right here, which if you guys want to go check down below, this video really all it does is explain some tips and tricks that can work to help you guys cop more often on the app, kind of aside from exclusive access. But I remember I mentioned specifically in this video right here, I said there's really no set method to getting exclusive access more often. The only way is spending more money and by being more active on the app. I said, not like notifying yourself for a release here or extra releases here, just spend more money with Nike and being more active on the app. And Nike actually came out and said recently, you can see this on Nike News, and they broke down sneakers exclusive access and basically what they do to give people sneakers exclusive access. So the first details that they said about it, and this is again, they're discussing this, mainly they came out and discussed this once they announced their 50 drop. It's dropping on August 9th. Only via exclusive access, they're dropping 50 shoes, and I'm guessing there'll not be a lot of pairs considering that they're doing it that way. So if you get exclusive access, that'll probably be worth something. And again, one of the main ways they said that they give exclusive access is based on their engagement with the sneakers app. So again, running through this, little sneakers videos they make, like the kind of kick check or whatever they do, looking into those, just kind of playing it on the app, being more active on it. That's kind of an important thing that will help you get exclusive access more. Yeah, as you can see, some drops may only release via exclusive access, like the one that they have coming up. And they said there's tons of variables that really kind of determine what give them exclusive access. But I mean, I would say, look, I mean, it's going off prior drops, how often you're responding to polls and content engagement. So make sure you're on that app, responding to all the polls they drop. If they have like a new sneakers, like I know sometimes like documents and people that are like big in like LA streetwear and stuff like that. So if they're making a video there and they've dropped one on it, make sure you go watch it. I'm going to do that today on both my sneakers accounts since we have that laser orange drop coming tomorrow. So I'm on both my accounts that I bought the most stuff on, and I'm going to be super engaged and active on both of them today. So hopefully my odds will be good for the drop tomorrow. I'm going to be trying to get those because I know those are going to be a great hold. So if I could secure those for retail, that'd be dope. But that'll also help with my exclusive access chances if I'm more active on the app every day. So that's going to try and be my goal. Is I only got a couple sneakers accounts, but I'm really going to try and be fully active on them, responding to those polls and everything that I need to do so I can hit more often. So again, they said that this is always delivered also via push notifications. So make sure you have your push notifications on for sneakers. I do. So that's just if you have the app on your computer account. They usually do it through push notification, but I wouldn't be concerned if I had a computer account too, because then you could just check your email. That's usually where they also send it. It's like, hey, you got exclusive access, and it's never for a particular size, and they always mention that. They mainly, again, drop this article, as you can see, for the Nike Off-White Dunk Drop, and as you can see, it does not mean that a pair is reserved for your size. So that's the main thing about exclusive access. You go for whatever size you want and you should get it. It doesn't mean that you're guaranteed like your size in particular, and it usually you only have like 10 minutes to get it or a couple minutes to really grab them via exclusive access. That's not really another important thing there. And if you get one of those pairs, one of the 50 pairs, that'd be super dope. Let me know if you guys end up getting those down the line. That's pretty much how exclusive access works, and I just wanted to make this quick video to kind of, I guess, explain it a bit. The only way to truly get exclusive access more is to be active, spend more money with Nike. Pretty much what I said before. You guys already know it. It was in this tips video. We were dropping some dimes in here. Really, the way to get it, just, yeah, activity. That's what it is. Nike likes people that participate more on their apps, and there are some tips that can also help you, I guess, hit more often on regular drops. So check that video out down below. And I also want to give a huge shout out to my guys at Secret Sauce right here. While they aren't completely related to exclusive access, I'm sure they will be huge in helping you guys out on the Off-White Nike 50 drop. They'll probably be dropping a lot of tips and advice, and they can definitely help you guys cop a lot of these upcoming releases that are dropping on foot sites and stuff like that. And they are a $60 monthly fee, but don't forget, they can help you resell random items, give you kind of insider info on drops before they happen. And also, you know, if you have any, like, they have some pretty good monitors too. So like if there's like a restock, or if you're trying to cop like some mids or something, like to, you know, bulk invest, stuff like that, there's a lot of things that can help you out with one-on-one help. They got NFTs, crypto. I always mention that stuff, but how that again help you cop a release that would drop in a foot site is, let's say you're another song dropping a Finish Line at Foot Locker, and you're trying to get it from there, and you're like, oh, well, you know, I know Secret Sauce runs those tickets that can help members get those releases, right? So once you're in the chat, they have that ticket section, and once you're in that ticket section kind of looking at it, it will show you all the paid and free slots going on in that section that pretty much are being run by trusted bot providers. And all you got to do to enter in a ticket is, if it's a paid slot, you're just paying the little fee after if they copy the item, and then if it's a free slot, then you don't have to pay them any fee or anything after. But usually those tickets fill up pretty fast, so make sure you guys enter in those tickets as early as possible. Kind of have your notifications on for those so you can be quickly entered, and that should help you guys hit more often. And these guys can also help you with like seeing more local raffles. They kind of put you on, you know, if you need one-on-one help, these guys can be there and kind of help you out with, you know, getting more educated on the resale game and anything like that. So, and to enter in a ticket, all you got to do is just put your shipping and payment info. They put it into the bots and get releases for you. And I do this all the time. I do this every week, and you know, they're pretty successful. They caught me a pretty good retail drop every now and then. That's pretty awesome. So always shout out my guys at Secret Sauce. And you know, there's tons of ways to engage in the chat and make money. It's just really the best way to make your money from this chat is just be engaged. But that's really all I got to say right there. If you want to go join their chat, just send them a message on Twitter and be like, yo, Tristan sent me, how can I get in? I'm looking to get into the chat. And that's all you really got to do. Or just wait, look in their Instagram, wait until they drop invites again. It'll all be there in the description. But yeah, again, that's really the key to it. Sneaker News even dropped an article on it. Again, it just, look, the more active a member of a community is, both in engagement and buying releases, the more exclusive access they will get. Literally what I said last video, but that's really all it is. So just buy, you know, yeah, look, buy, view all those videos, enter in as many launches as you can, like even in some of those non-popular drops. That's really all it is. So I don't want to really be too repetitive, so we'll hop into the outro. So if you want more content like this, just subscribe and like down below. Let's make the goal in this video 300 likes, and shout out Nike for finally coming out and saying how exclusive access works. Well, we won't have to see any other, you know, videos saying like, oh, tick this, you know, like twist your thumb here, like, you know, like no, bro. Like, what are you talking about? You know what I mean? But now Nike's come out and said it, so that's officially how it is. I just wanted to make this video so everybody knows, and I will make a video coming up on how you guys can cop the Off-White 50 drop, but I'm pretty sure you guys now know how to do it from this video. It's not much more difficult than that. So I think that's enough said. Check the IGs, any of that down below in my Discord. You want to join that, then join that. And yeah, tons of stuff coming up on the way. I'm filming, I was filming a reselling video today. I got some stuff coming in the mail. So we're filming 2 videos at once today, but I'm going to end this screen recording. I love you all. Thank you guys for watching. Any questions, anything, leave them down below, and I'll be there to help you guys out. So I'm Tristan, and I'll catch you on the next one, hopefully. Peace.